Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic project coordinator. What is the role of project coordinator and how he behave, how he act in a project. Friend, today's topic is very important if you are a student and studying project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP. So friend, this is a very important topic and you will see at least 4 to 5 questions in the exam. Either it's a PMP exam or either it's a project management exam in which your concept related to project coordinator will definitely be checked. So friend, if you are planning to give exam of project management, your concept related to project coordinator should be very clear. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, either project coordinator or project manager, so you must have to know that what is the role of project coordinator in a project and how he should behave in a project coordination. So, friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So, let's start. Role of project coordinator. Friend, first of all, see one thing that this topic project coordinator, this topic directly relate to project management. Okay, and we will see we are discussing this topic with respect to PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, or as per the definitions of PMI. So, uh, friend, first of all, we have to see that what is project before going into the deep in this topic. Project, what is a project? Because a project coordinator means that a person who is coordinating with project in a project. Okay, who is coordinator for a project. So first of all, we have to see what is a project as per the definition of PMBOK, project management body of knowledge. Friend, project is temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output or product that is called as a project. For example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution for a customer and within 4 months you have to deliver that project, so we will say that it's a project. Why? Because within 4 months we have to complete that project, and after 4 months the project will finish and no more resources will be working there on the project. So we will say that it's a project. Okay, so we will say that it's a project. Friend, see one thing. Why we are saying it's a project? Because within 4 months the project will finish. After 4 months, the project will no more resources will be working there on the project, and it is a temporary thing. Why temporary thing, my friend? Why temporary? Because why? Because after 4 months the project will finish. Friend, the project is always a temporary, and it can never ever be an ongoing activity. For example, implementation of e-commerce is a project. Implementation, building of house, building of flyover, the implementation of a new business process. So all these are the types, examples of a project. So let me ask you, can we say that production of chairs in a factory is a project or not? It's not a project. Why? Because production of chairs is a repetitive task, it is an ongoing task. It can never be, we can say it's a temporary thing, it is an ongoing task. So production of chairs is not a project. Now friend, then what is project management? Friend, project management means that the standard tools and techniques and procedures or best practices to implement a project, to manage a project, that is called as the project management. So PMBOK, project management body of knowledge, has defined multiple and several tools and techniques, best practices to manage a project. So that is, this book is called as PMBOK, project management body of knowledge. Now friend, coming towards our main topic, project coordinator. Friend, project coordinator, you can think of this person, project coordinator, as a assistant of a project manager. Okay, project, who is project manager? He is a person who is managing the project with all respects, with respect to scope, time, cost, schedule, budget, etc. With all aspects he is managing the project. Now who is the project coordinator? Friend, project coordinator is a person who basically assists the project manager in scheduling, in meetings, managing the stakeholders, managing cost, etc. So basically think of this person as a as an assistant of a project manager, he basically coordinate in meetings, make taking meeting minutes, talking with customers by himself or herself. He is not taking any decision actually. He is not a decision maker. He is not take any decision by himself either. Rather, he is basically a assistant to project manager, and he is giving information to project manager. For example, he is scheduling the meetings, he is taking the meeting minutes, he is taking the status from development team, making status reports, etc. So all these things are basically done by a project coordinator. So project coordinator is a person who is coordinating in the project. Coordination means that coordinating with the development team, coordinating with the stakeholders, coordinating with the customer, coordinating with the project manager. Project, he is assistant to project manager and coordinating among the team members. So that is called as the concept of project coordinator here. Now friend, this is the we can talk about the responsibilities of project coordinator. First of all, participate in project design meetings and propose improvements all necessary. Basically, coordinator involved in all types of meeting, in all respect of meeting of project. He also participate in potential problems and technical hitches and develop solutions. So he involved in all those things. Plan and manage team goals, schedule and information. He also involved all those things. Supervise current projects and coordinate all team members to keep workflow on track. He coordinate with the team members so that all things should be on track. Manage project related paperwork like documentation, the status reports, etc. He also involved in that. Project correspondence by preparing and reviewing the project proposals, memos, meeting minutes, emails. So all these things should be managed by the project coordinator. Communicate with clients to identify and define project requirements, scope and objective. Adherence to budget by monitoring expenses and implementing cost saving measures. Friend, project manage coordinator has a very important role. He is a person who basically assisting the project managers in the meetings. They sit with the project manager and taking meeting minutes, preparing the scope documents, preparing the all the documents like emails, the status reports. So all these things basically are managing and coordinating by the project coordinator. He also a very important person because he talks with the team members. He discuss with them whatever the problems are arising, whatever the issues are arising. So he also talk with the customer, so customer feedback they also getting. If there is anything problem is coming, so they can discuss and talk about it. Friend, the skills of project coordinator which are very necessary. First of all, friend, project coordinator should have a very good communication interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills means that the people management, communication, relationships, etc. So he should be able to having a very good communication skills, very good interpersonal skills also. He should be able to manage multitasking skills like project coordinator has to work in a day on multiple tasks. Now excellent analytical and problem solving skills. His problem solving skills should be very good. He should be able to solve the problems. Team management and leadership skills he should have. The documentation skills he should have. He should be able to make the FS scope document, status reports, emails, etc. So all these things he should be able to make. uh, Also, friend, he should be able to work under the pressure, because you know friend that in a project management we all know that it happens that the pressure situation came and we have to survive, we have to work in the pressure situation. Time management skills he should be able, like he should be able to manage his time. Also he should able to make sure that the things should be completed. He should be able to get things done. This is a very important sentence, friend. Get things done, get things done, friend. Like if project manager assigns something to coordinator, he should able to get things done. Get things done means that he should have to make sure that these things should be completed successfully without any error or without any problem. he should able to make sure all those things. So friend, as a whole, project coordinator is a person who has having very good communication, relationship and interpersonal skills. He should be able to do all those things. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you, thanks a lot for your time.